This tutorial is to show you how to find an ebook or an audiobook from the Sun City West R.H. Johnson Library. First, you'll go to the library website at cswlibrary.com, or you can find it from the Sun City's West recreational page by clicking on R.H. Johnson Library. From here, you'll choose the Overdrive eBooks button. You'll open up a new window, and from here you can see which books are available. To search, go to the top of the screen where you can see the word search. Click on it, type in a title, author, keyword. The search results will be shown below. You have two different options on how the search is displayed. You can also change how it's sorted. On the left side, there's different filters. You can see if it's available now or if it's available for a hold. You can do it by format if it's ebook or an audiobook, by different subjects. If you're browsing, you can look at the pre-selected collections, or you can browse by subject. Once you're ready to choose a book to check out, you'll go to sign in, put in your Rec Center card number, then select the book you wanted to check out. You can click on the title, get more information about it, and then you can click borrow. It'll open up a new window, and you can choose how many days you want it, either 7 days or 14, and you'll click borrow. And then you can choose based on the options if you can do it. Sometimes you'll have it for Kindle, or you can download it, or you can listen to it or read it in your browser. You also can download it to apps such as Libby or Overdrive, which you can download to your devices to travel with you. Once you borrow an item, you can also check into your accounts what books you have on loan, how many days till they expire. Under your holds, you can see which and how long estimated about when you would get those books in. You can have things saved to a wish list. You can make recommendations for books for us to purchase.